The traction control system in your Toyota Sienna continuously monitors each wheel using speed sensors. When the electronic control unit detects excessive wheel spin, it automatically intervenes by applying brakes to the spinning wheel and reducing engine power. When problems occur, your dashboard displays specific warning lights. The most common include VSC off, VSC track, ABS, and sometimes the check engine light. Based on repair data, the most frequent causes are faulty wheel speed sensors at 35%, ABS module malfunctions at 25%, wiring issues at 20%, brake system problems at 15%, and software glitches at just 5%. Understanding these components helps identify problems. The ABS control module processes sensor data while wheel speed sensors monitor each wheel's rotation. Wiring connects all components, and the brake system provides the physical intervention when needed. The first step in diagnosing traction control issues is using an OBD2 scanner to read any ABS or VSC error codes. This provides specific information about what the system has detected. Next, perform a visual inspection. Check the brake fluid level in the reservoir, examine tire condition for proper inflation and even wear, and look for any obvious damage to wiring or components. A simple system reset can sometimes clear false warnings. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the VSC button for 10 seconds. Then start the engine and test drive. If the problem persists, professional diagnosis is needed. ABS module issues often require specialized tools like Toyota TechStream for proper diagnosis and module initialization. Modern Siennas integrate traction control with other safety systems like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning. Addressing these issues promptly is crucial for overall vehicle safety.